Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patel, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. Please subscribe my channel, give the comments and also don't forget to hit the like button. In this video, we are discussing on inverse Laplace transforms. Welcome friends. In this video, some interesting problem on inverse Laplace transform I am doing here. Here you can observe here the denominator is one term in the standard form, other one is not in the standard form. S cube is there. I don't have s square. S cube is there, but product of two terms is there. First I will split it into two terms, product of two additions, partial fractions, and then I will find its inverse Laplace transform. Okay, consider 1 divided by s cube into s square plus s cube plus 1. To find out its partial fractions, for my simplicity, let me put s cube equal to t. That will become 1 divided by t into t plus 1. Its partial fraction easily I can calculate. That is a divided by t plus b divided by t plus 1. Then I have to find the values of a and b. Okay, that is 1 a into t plus 1 plus b into t. At t equal to 0, 1 equal to a into 0 plus 1 plus 0, which implies a equal to 1. And at t equal to minus 1, 1 equal to a into 0 plus b into minus 1, which implies b equal to minus 1. Okay, here 1 divided by t into t plus 1 will become 1 divided by t minus b is 1 divided by t plus 1. But t equal to what I used? T equal to s cube, which implies 1 divided by s cube into s cube plus 1 equal to 1 divided by s cube minus 1 divided by s cube plus 1. Okay, for this one I can find out inverse Laplace transform easily. 1 divided by s cube, t to the power 1 by s to the power n plus 1 formula I can use. That is inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s to the power n equal to t to the power n minus 1 divided by n minus 1 factorial I can use. But whereas s cube plus 1 is there, if s square plus 1 is there, direct formula, s cube plus 1 is there. For that again I can find its factors. Okay, how can I find out its factors now? Okay, before that, okay, let me apply inverse Laplace transform on both sides. Applying inverse Laplace transform on both sides, I am going to get inverse Laplace transform of 1 divided by s cube into s cube plus 1 equal to inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s cube minus inverse Laplace transform of 1 divided by s cube plus 1. This one I can write it as t square divided by 2 factorial is 2, n minus 1, 3 equal to, okay, minus its inverse Laplace transform I have to find out. That's why what I will do, 1 divided by factors of s cube plus 1 cube, that I can write it as a cube plus b cube. Factors I can write it as a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Factors of this. For this one I will apply this formula and expand this. That will become s plus 1 into s square minus a is equal to s, b equal to 1, s square minus s plus 1 square is 1. Okay, this is the, again they are not in the standard forms, but again partial fractions I have to find out this. Okay, consider 1 divided by s plus 1 into s square minus s plus 1 equal to a divided by s plus 1 plus bs plus c divided by s square minus s plus 1. Correct? To find out the partial fractions of this is the one. Therefore 1 is equal to a into s square minus s plus 1 plus bs plus c into s plus 1 at s is equal to minus 1. At s is equal to minus 1, 1 is equal to a into minus 1 square is 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1 plus 0, which implies a is equal to 1, and it is minus of minus plus 1, 3, 1 divided by 3. A is equal to 1 divided by 3. Now at s is equal to 0, at s equal to 0, b will become 0. I can find out value of c, which implies 1 equal to a is 1 by 3, and s equal to 0, 0, 0 plus 1 plus b into 0 plus c into s equal to 0 into 1, which implies c equal to 1 minus 1 is there, minus 1 by 3, which is equal to c equal to 2 by 3. Correct? C equal to 2 by 3 I am getting. Next, other than s equal to 0 and 1 minus 1 I will use. At s equal to plus 1, what it will become? 1 equal to a is 1 by 3, s equal to 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus b value I have to calculate. S equal to 1 I am using, b into 1 plus c is 2 by 3 into s equal to again 1, therefore it is 2. 1 here, 1 cancels, 1 by 3, 1 minus 1 by 3, this 1 by 3 shifted here, then 2b plus 4 by 3, which implies 2b is equal to LCM is 3, that is 2 by 3 already there, 2 by 3, and this minus 4 by 3, okay, which is equal to minus 2 by 3, 2 cancels on both sides, b equal to minus 1 by 3. Correct? B equal to minus 1 by 3 I am going to get. Substituting a, b, c in this, therefore now 1 divided by s plus 1 into s square minus s plus 1 equal to, I can write it as a divided by 1 by 3 divided by, I can write s plus 1 plus b minus 1 by 3 s plus c 2 by 3 divided by s square minus s plus 1, okay, or 1 by 3 I can take common from all the terms, 1 by 3 into 1 divided by s plus 1 minus s minus 2, okay, minus I have taken common as 2 divided by s square minus s plus 1. Its inverse Laplace transform I have to find out. To find out its inverse Laplace transform, here again this perfect square I have to do, okay, perfect square of this one I have to do. For that, what I will do, okay, therefore inverse Laplace transform of 1 divided by s plus 1 into s square minus s plus 1 equal to 1 by 3 into bracket inverse Laplace transform of 1 divided by s plus 1 minus inverse Laplace transform of s minus 2 divided by s square minus s plus 1. Okay, its inverse Laplace transform easily calculated. That can be calculated. That is 1 by 3 into bracket its inverse Laplace transform is e to the power minus t, minus, for this one I will make the perfect square, denominator s square minus s plus 1, I can write it as s square minus 2s into 1 by 2, 2 cancels, minus s will remain, therefore my b is 1 by 2, therefore what I will do, 1 by 2 square I will add, subtract 1 by 2 square plus 1 is there as it is. Simplifying this, first 3 terms I can write it as s minus 1 by 2 the whole square, s minus 1 by 2 the whole square I can write for first three terms, minus 1 by 4 plus 1 will become 4 minus 1, 3 plus 3 by 4. Okay, this is the denominator. Like that, numerator also I have to adjust here. What is my numerator then here? Numerator is s minus 2. I should get s minus 1 by 2. That I can write as s minus 1 by 2, s minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 2. This term I can write it as s minus 1 by 2 plus 2 is LCM, 4. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Okay, minus inverse Laplace transform of numerator I can write it as s minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 whole divided by s minus 1 by 2 perfect square plus 3 by 4. Its inverse Laplace transform I have to find out. Okay, 1 by 3 times e to the power minus t minus, okay, its inverse Laplace transform. To find out its inverse Laplace transform, wherever s is there, it is with s minus 1 by 2, s minus 1 by 2. Therefore, it is e to the power 1 by 2 times t into inverse Laplace transform of s minus 3 by 2 divided by s square plus 3 by 4. Okay, its inverse Laplace transform I have to find out easily now. Okay, its inverse Laplace transform, I will split it into two terms. 1 by 3 e to the power t minus e to the power t by 2 into two terms I will split as inverse Laplace transform of s divided by s square plus root 3 divided by 2 the whole square, 3 by 4 I can write like this, minus 3 by 2 into inverse Laplace transform of 1 divided by s square plus root 3 divided by 2 the whole square I can write. And final I can write as 1 by 3 into e to the power t minus e to the power t by 2 into inverse Laplace transform of s divided by s square plus a square, that is cos root 3 t divided by 2 minus here 1 divided by 0, therefore it is sine hyperbolic, sine 80, but a is this one. I should multiply root 3 divided by 2 into sine root 3 t divided by 2. Okay, one more step I will simplify this as 1 by 3 into e to the power t minus e to the power t by 2 into cos root 3 t by 2 minus 2 cancels, root 3 cancels, 1 by only root 3 will remain into sine root 3 t divided by 2. This is the inverse Laplace transform of 1 divided by s plus 1 into s square minus s plus 1, that is nothing but 1 divided by s cube plus 1. Its inverse Laplace transform is this same. Okay, but my final what is required is consider inverse Laplace transform of 1 divided by s cube into s cube plus 1. Okay, this one partial fractions I have calculated already, then I will substitute 1 by 1 here. Inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s cube minus, correct, minus inverse Laplace transform of 1 divided by s cube plus 1, partial fractions of this, and inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s cube is t square divided by 2 minus, and inverse Laplace transform of 1 divided by s cube plus 1, this is the 1 by 3 into bracket e to the power t minus e to the power t by 2 into cos of root 3 t by 2 minus root 3 sine of root 3 t divided by 2. Simplest problem, I hope so. Okay, little bit lengthy. Okay, please subscribe my channel, give the comments, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you, friends.